Hi everybody, it's Jessica the Dollhouse Curator and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. So today y'all, I am here with an exclusive brand new doll. So as y'all see, I have the box right here in front of me and we are talking about the new Gem and the Holograms Gem doll that is being produced by TLS Toys. Y'all, I found the doll in Walmart the other day. I was so excited. I had to get her because this was my absolute favorite cartoon growing up. I still to this day, I can't find it because I wanted to have it here to show y'all, but I have the complete series on DVD. That is how much I love this show growing up. So when I found out this doll was coming out and that she was available at Walmart for $25, y'all, I had to get her. So I'm not going to continue to ramble on. I wanted y'all to see the doll, but I did want to kind of do a little surprise. So without further ado, I want to introduce you all to the Gem and the Holograms Gem doll that has now been released. Y'all, I bought this doll the other day. I was so excited to find her. I really wanted to get an unboxing done really quick for y'all. But I decided no. I wanted to take a few days. I played with her. I have brushed the hair, changed the outfit, tried on different clothes, and just had a blast with this doll. So I did not want to rush to get y'all a review out because I wanted to give y'all a real review of this doll. So first off, this is the doll here. She is absolutely fabulous. She comes with a mic extension, a doll stand. The doll stand is shaped like the Gem star from the cartoon. And y'all, it plays music. It plays the theme song. So I'm going to hit the button and hopefully y'all will be able to hear it because I hope I don't get any copyright issues with this. But I'm going to hit this button so y'all can hear that the stand sings. Yes, oh my God, I know I had to get all into it, y'all. But I absolutely love this. So I'm going to cover what she comes with. And then, y'all, I'm going to do a little bit of little extra in my videos because y'all know how I am. But I think y'all are going to enjoy this video and the review on this new Gem doll. Again, this is by TLS Toys, $25 at Walmart. So I was super excited and I love the price. So first off, let me start going over what she comes with. So I already said the mic attachment, and then she has a doll stand. But y'all, she also comes with two different outfits. So she comes with the outfit that she has on here, which is kind of what we think of as the original Gem outfit, this kind of little hot pink dress. And then it has like a little corset piece with some fringe around the waist. She does have stockings on that fit really, really good. And then on the box, y'all, it does say that she can be Gem or Jerrica. Unfortunately, y'all know Jerrica is blonde, so we can't really pull that off. But they did give us a secondary outfit that would be representative of Jerrica. So you get this really cute white and teal dress. It also comes with a cute white and teal beret. And then you get some really cute teal shoes that go with it. And then a pair of teal glasses, and y'all, the glasses do actually have lenses in it. Yes, it does. So I will be trying these outfits on another doll here in a little bit. So I said we're going to do some little extra in this video so I can show y'all some comparison. But y'all, I think the outfit is really nice. The secondary outfit is extremely nice. The primary outfit is cute, y'all. However, I did get some staining on my doll, and I will show y'all that here in a bit when we do our little extra stuff. But I did get a little bit of staining on the doll from this hot pink material. I'm not too concerned about it. It's just a little bit on the arms, which I'll show y'all in a little bit. But I am loving the doll. So let me get her off the stand. And I gotta say, y'all, this doll is hefty. Yes, she is. They built her as a curvy doll. Of course, she don't want to come off the stand when I want her to. Ah, there we go. Okay, so they built the doll. I do think she will be considered a curvy doll. She is very hefty. The hair on the doll, I don't know hair types, y'all. I really don't. I'm so sorry, but I love it. It is super soft. It is cut into the signature little gem with the little fringe on the side. She does have earrings on. That would be the, oh my God, what do they call those darn earrings? The gem star earrings, thank you. So she does have earrings on like that. Her nails are painted pink. The doll is fully articulated, fully, y'all. So she has double joints at the knee on both legs. She has some turn ability at the thigh and in the arm. She has full articulation and double joints in the elbows as well. She has wrist articulation as well, and she has some chest articulation also. So if y'all can see that, she has some chest articulation also. The only complaint is that she doesn't have very much articulation at the head. Of course, she can turn, but she doesn't have that much look up or that much look down. But y'all, and she is very hefty. Like I said, you will pick this doll up. You can feel the weight in your hand when you pick her up. When I let my husband hold her, he was like, oh my goodness. I was like, yeah. They made her out of some good hefty plastic, y'all. But anyway, so I absolutely love the doll. She does have much bigger feet than what your Barbie size dolls have. So you're looking at a foot size at maybe Rainbow High. Wicked dolls, Illy dolls, that's about the size of her feet. Oh, let me pause. Okay, sorry about that, y'all, but we are back. So while I had to take a phone call right quick, y'all, I went ahead and did a quick little change on my gem doll because, as I said, as much as I love this dress and it is absolutely adorable, it did leave some staining on my doll, so I did want to get her out of this as quick as possible. And I also wanted to show y'all that the stand, again, is not only a stand, but it is also a mic stand. So I have the doll set up there with her mic as well. So I absolutely love this. I really do. So y'all, the next thing I want to go over is I'm going to show you just a little bit of the staining that the dress did on my doll. And then I'm going to show y'all some other stuff that I think works pretty good. So y'all give me a second right here. Okay, y'all know I always like to give a surprise. Okay, so here on my doll, I hope you all can see it just right there on her arm. See if I can get my light over there. Just right about here, you see there is some kind of extra little hot pinkness on her arm where there is some staining. It is the same thing on the other side, right about in here. It's not that bad, y'all, but it did stain. So if you do get the doll, you definitely don't want to leave her in the outfit to prevent as much staining as you can. But y'all, I also went through my collection and I found a dress that was kind of very similar to her original dress. So I put her in this and I think she looks absolutely adorable in this. And I love this stand. Y'all, the entire set, honestly, is really, really good, especially for 25 bucks. But the stand, knowing it sings the song, it can be a doll stand or a mic stand. Like, this is wonderful. And the microphone is separate from this little piece up here, so she can pose with just the mic by herself. But y'all, I've already shown you the outfit she came with. I told y'all she is a curvier doll. So I did believe that her clothes that she came with would actually fit a curvy doll. So I tested it out. Y'all know me. I did test it out. So I have one of my curvy dolls here. So y'all know Jerica is blonde. So I went and found me a short-haired blonde doll to play my Jerica in the Jerica outfit. So we have her on the hat, the dress, and the little overlay. So y'all, this little corset thing, it is reversible. So for this pink outfit, it has like some little blue design in it. And then for the Jerica outfit, you can turn it the other way and it is just all silver. But this fits a curvy doll absolutely wonderful. As you can see, everything is fitting really nice. And then the hat, I do love the hat, y'all. I can't get the hat to stay on the gem doll very well, but I did get it to stay on a Barbie pretty good. So, but I love it. Everything in this is extremely well made. And I'm very excited about it. All right, y'all. So what's next? On top of everything else, let me show you the other stuff that comes in the box. The packaging was wonderful. So inside of the box, you do get a background behind the doll that has little record and the gym logo in it. And then all of the packaging came in just really good plastic. Y'all give me a sec. Okay, so this is how it comes. So this is what you get inside. So there were no plastic stays in the doll's head. Everything you could just pop out of the plastic. It was layered, so you had the doll in front and then the outfit and then some of the other stuff. So my box is 100% still intact. Love it. And then along with everything you see here with the doll and this outfit, you also get a little holographic little poster thing. So like, you know, kind of like a backstage pass. You get a VIP lanyard. I thought that was super cute. And then you also get some instructions, and then it comes with a gym concert ticket that has some information on it. So I think it looks really, it's cute, y'all. It really is. And then there's also a couple more things. You also get a little comb. And there are stickers on the inside of this little box here with the record and the logo. You get some stickers. So there's 4 little stickers here that you get as well. But y'all, I am over the moon. I really am. I think this is wonderful. I absolutely love the doll. I think they did really good in making her. It is my hope that we can get the rest of the holograms and the misfits over time. So if y'all are a Gem and the Holograms doll, if y'all are a Gem and the Holograms fan from back in the day, I definitely recommend picking up this doll. So when the original ones came out when I was a kid, I wound up getting one. She's the only one I could find in my area, and it was the Rhea doll. And then I believe it was Integrity Toys that came out with a gem line. They did really good with it, but the price point wasn't within my doll collector budget, so I missed out on those. So with this doll coming out at 25 bucks, it was a steal. It was absolutely a steal, y'all. Really, it was. So I'm very satisfied with this doll. And again, absolutely love the stand and that it sings the theme song. So like, it is truly outrageous that they actually thought of that and it worked so well. But couple of little things that I'm gonna go over on the doll. So one, I told y'all her hair is really soft and really great. She does have some spotty rooting in there, but the head does at least look full. I love the hair color that they picked. It's really cute. The articulation, again, fully articulated. My only drawback is the head articulation. She doesn't have a lot to go up and down, but everything else, the articulation is really good. Really, really good for a $25 doll, especially with this. The other outfit I think is wonderful. I love the fact that they actually went and put lenses in the glasses. Lenses, y'all. Seriously, I love it. So my other main drawback is the staining from this original outfit. But again, y'all, I'm not that concerned because thankfully I had another outfit in my collection that kind of had this same look. And I think she looks magnificent in this. But yes, this is a hefty doll, y'all. So I wish I could like weigh her so I could tell you like how much she weighs compared to how much a Barbie doll weighs. But yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. She is a hefty doll. And then finally, y'all, I want to show y'all the dolls off the stand so you can see the size compared to a Barbie doll. They are approximately the same size. So both of these ladies, you know, have on their heels and they're sitting down. So they are approximately the same size. So I think you could easily input this doll into your doll collection line if you have a lot of Barbies like I do and you're mainly a Barbie collector. But I think my final pro on this is I love the fact that the clothes fit a curvy. So that was really, really nice. And you got a little bit of difference. So this nice, cute little Jerrica outfit. And again, it does come with shoes as well. And then you get this really nice outfit here. And then this little corset thing, like I said, is reversible. So you get 2 different looks that go with it. So that is really cute. Oh, and finally, no, the earrings do not come out because I was trying to take them out and I could not get the earrings out. But I still think for the price, this is an absolute steal. If you are a Gem and the Holograms fan, I think this works out great. So y'all give me just a second. Let me get her back up here on her stand. The doll does seem to stand really good just with her shoes as well. And again, like I said, she will not fit Barbie shoes, but she will fit like rainbow high. I tried some rainbow high shoes, and I think I also tried like a couple of pairs of Illy shoes. I only have a couple of pair of Illy doll shoes, but I tried those as well. But yeah, so I am over the moon, y'all. I hope they come out with the rest of them. So if y'all are a Jim and the Holograms fan from back in the day, for 25 bucks, I think this doll is an outrageous buy to add to your collection. And is there anything else? Other clothes. So I have found a few outfits in my collection so far that the doll can wear. So since she is a curvier doll, you're going to have to be looking for stuff that you know your curvy Barbies can wear. But I have found some clothes in there, and especially if you're looking for jeans, y'all, the Temu little like stretchy jeans fit this doll wonderful. I actually thought about putting her in that for the unboxing for this video because I had tried it on, but I was like, no, I want to go with this dress because I think she just looks absolutely amazing in this dress. And yeah, so anyway, y'all, I'm not going to hold you much longer. So this has been a review, an honest review of the new Jim and the Holograms doll. Again, this is by TLS Toys. I think they did a fantabulous job on this. I hope we get other ones. I am so looking forward to at least being able to get all of the holograms, if possible, including Maria, since she was the first Holograms doll. The first and only Jim's doll that I was ever able to get when I was a kid. So yeah, but anyway, until next time, y'all, this has been Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator, with a review of the new Jim and the Holograms doll. I think that this is definitely worth a $25 price, and I definitely recommend it for your collection if you are a fan. We will be back another day with another video. And y'all remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like seeing content like this. But especially leave us some comments. Let me know what y'all think about our review of this doll. Again, she comes highly recommended from me, y'all. So again, the hair, 8, the outfit, a 9 because it left some staining, but the articulation, the doll stand, the overall doll itself and the stuff she came with, absolute 10. So overall rating on this entire doll, I would say a 9, 9.5. And I am so excited to add her to my collection and to be getting this video out to y'all, which I'm still babbling on. So anyway, thank y'all for visiting the Curated Dollhouse. We'll be back another day with another concept. So until next time, y'all, bye.